Hey y'all, it's CJ. So today I'm making a pine tar soap. So this soap accelerates really fast. Right now you'll see me mixing my lime water and with my butters and oils. So the trick I learned with making pine tar, I made 3 different batches. First 2 was complete fails. Melt it and stir it in, and that will help it not accelerate as fast, but you still gotta move quickly. And you cannot use your blender when you're doing it. You gotta stir it in. Like you use your blender, but you can't cut it on. Just stir it in. But right now, I'm not using a pine tar. I'm trying to make sure everything is mixed in correctly or whatever, so I could begin to do my pine tar. So a lot of my footage I was recording backwards, so you're not gonna see a lot of my process because that's just my mistake. But there's many different brands of pine tar you can use. This just happens to be the one that I use, but I am gonna change over to a different brand. But this one, it works fine for now. I'm just gonna use all this up and then switch. So you see me struggling trying to open it. Please find a better way to open it. But like I said, melt it in a container and then pour it. Don't just scoop it in there. That's the first what I did, like as you can see. So this is the first batch I made. It came out alright. So now you'll see me cutting it. The cut came out pretty good. I love my new cutter. Like it works really well. And all my bars are pretty even. I've yet to use my cutter with a 2-pound bar soap. I've just been using it with 1 pound. But they still all come out even, so I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think I got this cutter off of Amazon for like $22. So it's worth it. At the end, I'll show you my first and second batch, and then I'll go in and show you my most recent batch, which was the better one. So, and then I'll do a longer detailed video on how to do the pine tar without it accelerating as fast and looking crappy. Don't get me wrong, it's still accelerated, but I didn't have to scoop it in like I did with my first 2 batches. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at nubianqcosmetics and subscribe to my YouTube.